In this video, I want to show you how you can use the duplicate pages feature of the Mega Pack to quickly duplicate pages in either a PDF file, an OpenOffice file, or a PowerPoint file. So once the Mega Pack is loaded, next to choose an option, we want to scroll down to duplicate pages, hit OK. And at the top, we have our first option, which is to choose the file that we wish to duplicate pages in. Hit browse, and then down the right hand side here you can see we can choose PowerPoint files, OpenOffice files, or PDF files. So let's start with a PDF file here, and let's choose a daily template file here, which if I just open the PDF here and show you, this is just a one-page PDF with a template for a daily planner. Now, of course, this PDF can be from any program that can create PDFs. So whether it's from Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, any software that creates PDFs, you can use these PDFs in the Mega Pack for this feature. So if I go back in, and you'll see here, I have the option to choose what page range I wish to duplicate. Now, as this is only a one-page document, I'll only have the option to duplicate the one page. And then here we have the option to choose how many times we wish to duplicate these pages. So there's one page at the moment. So if I wanted 365 pages, for instance, I would put 364 here because we have the one page already. And then we're going to duplicate it 364 times. Our final option here is to choose our save location. So if we hit save as here, and then what we can do is, let's call it 365 daily planner. And as we chose a PDF file to duplicate, we have to save it as a PDF file also. Hit save and then hit OK. And we'll just wait for that to complete, and it's done. Then if I open that here to show you, we now have 365 pages, which are all this first page here duplicated. Now, if you have multiple pages in your interior, or you only want to duplicate a couple of them, say for example, I'll load this one up and show you. You've created a few pages in PowerPoint, in OpenOffice, in Canva, whichever software you wish, and you have your first page, which is this book belongs to. You don't want to duplicate that, but after this, you have your 2 pages, for example, that you want to duplicate. What you can do then is if we go back into here and back into duplicate pages, and this time if I select the chronic pain one here, which is a PowerPoint file, and where it says what page range do you wish to duplicate, we're going to ignore page 1 because that is our this book belongs to, and we're just going to choose pages 2 and 3, like so. And then here we're going to choose how many times we wish to duplicate this. Let's just say, I don't know, 58 times. Choose our save location. And again, as we chose a PowerPoint file to begin with, we have to save as a PowerPoint file again. So let's do chronic pain completed. Hit save and then hit OK. Let's wait for that to complete. And then if we load this now into PowerPoint, as you can see, we've got our original page 1 here. And then what we have is our pages 2 and 3 duplicated all the way through our interior. Now this process is exactly the same for an OpenOffice file, and of course for a PDF file. If you're duplicating only certain pages, it works exactly in the same way. So I do hope this quick introduction video to the duplicate pages feature of the Megapack helps you. Thank you for watching.